Are you stuck with a cluttered and unresponsive WordPress website? Sometimes a fresh start is what you need to get back on track. In this video, we'll show you how to reset WordPress to its default settings. But be warned, this process will wipe all your data and settings clean. If you're ready to hit the reset button, join us as we guide you through the steps. First, let me show you the sample website that we will reset to default. As you can see, it has a lot of content, and it's running the Astra theme. Now let's get started with the reset process. Go into your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand menu, hover over Plugins and click on Add New. Once here, in the search bar, type WP Reset. Pay attention, you don't want the top plugins. Scroll down and install this one. This one is the best. Once it has been installed and activated, in the left-hand menu, go to Tools, and then Advanced WP Reset. First, read the warning and what will be done section. After that, scroll down, and in this field type Reset, and then click Reset Database. It will ask you that are you sure that you want to reset the database. Tell them that I told you to do so, and click Continue. It will start the process. Once done, click OK. It will log you out of your dashboard. Log in again with your username and password. Once logged in, let's check the result. As you can see, our site has just reset to the default theme, and all the content is gone, including images, text, and everything in between. So that's how you reset WordPress. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe for daily WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and have a great day. We will see you in the next video.